I'm Mayor Mike Foreman, and we here in the City of Friendswood are holding Lemonade Day, August 20th. Actually runs for a couple of days, doesn't it, Jack?
Lemonade Day is more than just a day.
It's more than just a day, there you go. Jack Foreman, my son, is our Lemonade Day chairman here in Friendswood. Thank you for volunteering your time to do that, Jack. Carol Marcantel from the Chamber of Commerce, of course, has been helping greatly with this effort, and Jim Foreman, I'm not sure exactly.
I'm helping.
Jim is helping, so there you go. So we decided to proclaim August 20th Lemonade Day, and we wish that we could have done it back in May when we originally planned, but coronavirus got in our way, but we are going forward with it here, socially distancing and doing all the right things, and going to have a great couple of days next weekend. Let me read this. City of Friendswood, Office of the Mayor, Proclamation. I, Mike Foreman, by virtue of the authority vested in me as Mayor of the City of Friendswood, do hereby proclaim August 20th, 2020 as Lemonade Day. Whereas Lemonade Day is good for kids, good for the business community, and good for Friendswood, UTMB Health, and the Friendswood Chamber of Commerce, along with many other local companies, organizations, and individuals are joining forces to bring this innovative program to Friendswood. And whereas Lemonade Day is a free, community-based program dedicated to teaching children how to start, own, and operate their own business through the simple and time-honored act of building and running a lemonade stand. And whereas Lemonade Day provides youth with free educational materials and support thanks to local sponsors. The young entrepreneurs who participate in the program earn money and are taught to spend a little, save a little, and share a little, donating a portion of their profits to any local charity of their choice. And whereas Lemonade Day is more than just a day, the event celebrates learning and the future of Friendswood starting August 20th, 2020 and continues through August 23rd, 2020. During Lemonade Day, every citizen is encouraged to support the endeavors of our young entrepreneurs by purchasing a cup of lemonade from a participant or cheering them on via social media. And whereas the City of Friendswood salutes and commends the sponsors, organizers, and above all, the participants of this innovative program and extends best wishes for a successful and rewarding observance. Now, therefore, I, Mayor Mike Foreman, Mayor of the City of Friendswood, do hereby proclaim Thursday, August 20th, 2020 as Lemonade Day in the City of Friendswood, Texas.